High-ranking studio.
Wow, pink Cordless vacuum cleaner. Go on.
Huh?
It's broken. The Cordless vacuum cleaner is light and convenient, but you will know after using it. Look here. Oh, out of power. This is the disadvantage of a cordless vacuum cleaner. Unless your vacuum has a quickly release battery design, this problem will be troublesome. This vacuum cleaner is old. The original NCD battery will change to NMH battery. Then someone will say that you can just change it to the battery 18650. The working life of a NMH batteries will be shorter, and the battery 18650 is cheaper. In fact, I know these problems, but you see that there is no room to modify them. I don't know how to insert the battery protection board, so I decide to install NMH battery. After the battery is replaced, it looks like this, and there is no need to modify, just support welding it directly. How to implement it in detail? Let's try it with Pyrekin. Well, isn't it unprofessional to share? You said this is writing a diary. The first problem encountered now is that the circuit board is soldered to the motor. I take a soldering iron to unsolder it first. Now it can be removed. Then pull out the motor. This is a DC brush motor. Remove the original nickel-cadmium battery. As for these wires, keep using them. Hey, Pyrekin, why do you cut it directly with scissors? There should be no shortcoming in using scissors, except that it seems unprofessional. After cutting the nickel sheet, it is too short and needs to be replaced with a new one. After placing the wire, it needs to be soldered. Now solder the other side. Then wrap the contact with a heat shinable tube. Blow tightly with a hot air gun and it's done. Everything that needs to be disassembled is finished. I was really careful today. I'm not just playing around. Okay, let's start assembling. Now connect these 4 batteries in series. Today's work goal is to connect 10 batteries in series and create a working voltage of 12 volts. A total of 4 batteries must be installed in the grip. Now connect them in series. The operation of the spar weld and the nickel sheet can refer to previous video. Insert the insulating gasket and just clamp it. Secure with tab. I have a bold high temperature insulation tab when shooting the video. But Pyrekin, you are too unprofessional, right? Okay, this is DIY. Then wrap the thermistor and fuse back. Also use sealing tab. The problem of the tab will improve next time. Next time, you're just talking trash. How do you know my goal in life? You see, I'm using 10C power battery. If I did not meet a scan group, after assembly it should be powerful. Now connect like 6 batteries in series. A set of 2, a total of 3 sets. The first set. This is the second set. This is the third set. Connect wires to batteries connected in series. Connect 4 batteries just now in series. There are still some old battery to be removed. These nickel sheets need to be replaced because they are too short. Install the new nickel sheet. It can be soldered after little camping. Then put on the heat shrink tube. Blow tightly with your heat gun. Dispose the remaining 4 batteries in the same way. Insert the battery into the holder and prepare to fix it. Connect the last 2 batteries in series. Connect the last wire, the loop is complete. But Parakin, the circuit is too complicated, right? In fact, just connect it according to the original circuit. The batteries is installed, it's still like a big deal. What does it mean, not big deal? Are you very qualified? Man, are you too many anti-fans? Then withdraw from video. The world situation of my generation. A reminder to the corners of the ears. Ben, we will be deprecated if you don't live. You can live without worry. Poor Ben, we will do the rest. Now install the DC motor. Bam is very tough, we don't need to care about him. After the motor is plugged into the circuit board, it is ready to be soldered. Actually, this is very simple, so you don't have to worry too much. The other end is done in the same way. Now put it on the pedestal. We have to be more careful not to crash this circuit. Put it back with the original cushion. You ask me what the function of this. Just a little shock absorber. There is a fixed seat for the switch here, which can lock it with 2 screws. Organize the wires. We are able to start assembling. The space here is very crowded. Be careful not to pinch the wires. Next is my specialty, lock screws. I don't dare to use an electric screwdriver here. Let's have a test. Great! Although it hasn't been charged yet, it's full of energy. Since it hasn't been charged yet, let it charge and test it. Just put it on the seat. It's ready to test after charging. Don't you think it's pretty good? Try a few more tries and you will succeed. If you have no time to try, subscribing to Pirating Studio can also improve your repairability and creativity. Subscribe to share and like. Thank you for watching. See you next time. 进来照那边。